If your idea of Africa is just deserts and savannas, you're missing the magic. Guinea Bissau is where wild islands meet the unknown. Let's uncover its secrets. Here, mangroves stretch their roots into turquoise waters, breathing life into the land and sea. In the Bijagos archipelago, saltwater hippos glide through tidal lagoons, green monkey on the tree. At night, gentle sea turtles return to untouched beaches. And as dawn breaks, flocks of flamingos rise, painting the sky in hues of pink. In this hidden corner of West Africa, nature still rules. This is Guinea Bissau. Like and subscribe.